So, why Zimbabwe and our plan with Zimbabwe's water crisis?
One of the main reasons why we chose Zimbabwe was because of the book I Will Always Write Back by Caitlin Alvarenga and Martin Gonda. This book was an inspiration for our projects due to the fact that when Caitlin was in the U.S. and Martin was in Zimbabwe in Africa, their lives were much different. And in Martin's case, his country was poor, didn't have much water, was hungry, and was getting overpopulated by the minute. And it was a really dangerous situation for Martin, and the water crisis in Zimbabwe was very problematic too for Martin.
This is our simple model of the prototype for a community action plan to help the water crisis in Zimbabwe, and this is how it works. So first, the rainwater gets into the water thing at the top, and then the water goes through the pipes and into the bucket.
There we go. And this is just a simple version. There will be a faucet, and the water will be more controlled with the PVC pipes, but this is just a real simple model of what we were thinking in mind to do with households that really need water. In addition to the specifics of our system, we will also provide potable aqua drops or packs to those families, and we will restock them once they are out of purification drops and or tablets.
Why did we choose this community action plan over other plans that we could have done? Reason 1, poverty. Poverty plays a big role in our community action plan because of how popular poverty is in Zimbabwe. In fact, 2 to 3 families have to actually share households. This means that water can be better distributed to more people. These were the steps we took to come out with our community action plan for Zimbabweans to help them with their water crisis. The first decision we made for our community action plan was if we were going to do one plan for all the houses in Zimbabwe or one plan per household. We decided to go with one plan per household because it would cost less money. If we did one plan for all the households, it would cost much more money because of all the construction costs. The second decision we made was how can we collect more water? So, as you can see in the first plan, there was only one hole in the roof, which means that when it rained, the house wouldn't catch enough water because all the water would go down the rest of the house. In this plan, we actually decided to make a big bowl on the top of the house so we could catch more rainwater to go into the bowl in the house. The third and fourth decisions we make was how can we make the water drinkable and how could we not overflow the bowl when it rained. So what we did to make the water purify is we put a water purification set in the bowl down below so when the water came down it would be safe to drink because we all know that we can't drink pure rainwater. So the bowl in the household wouldn't overflow if it rained a lot in Zimbabwe, which is likely. We decided to put a water faucet there so the Zimbabweans could get water whenever they want, even when it wasn't raining.
Thanks for watching our third video on why we chose Zimbabwe and our plan for their water crisis. Stay tuned for our TED Talk about all 3 of these videos. Thanks!